we got a broken stud inside the cylinder head on this Ego Boost. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take a nut right out to the other side of the head after we've got the manifold removed, of course. And then we're gonna weld the nut to the broken stud inside the head. And then it should heat up enough.
And the weld won't stick to the aluminum.
And usually with the heats, it'll expand the aluminum. Just gonna fill the nut up now. And we'll take a socket. And maybe we'll try a ratchet instead. Okay, and we got our ratchet. And I don't like the way it's gonna feel. Okay, and here we go, and out comes. I hate this ratchet. Keeps turning directions on me. Of course, what do you want from Harbor Freight? And as you extract it, it cleans its own threads right back out. So even if you got weld inside the aluminum, it won't stick. And there you go.
Where is I there?
Okay. Got one broken stud. I'm not going to touch it with my finger. I've learned that a long time ago. Hot stuff you don't touch. And now that can go on the floor. And then if you look inside now, you have a nice clean hole for your new stud to go into. All right. There you go. So, thanks for watching, and if you need it, good luck trying.